You just found the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado 2500 HD rises to the challenge with heavy-duty power, rugged strength, advanced towing technology, a luxurious and well-equipped cabin, and the latest safety and connectivity features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder engine. Don't you deserve a truck you can depend on when the going gets tough? Drive the Silverado 2500 HD.